He shot himself in the air.
He was hunting and like whipped something and hit him in the ear, so like right here, like all purple. He shot himself.
No doubt.
No, he really did. No, this is Mr. John from call. Mr. John Jardina, he's related to them.
My boy's so ugly he don't need a costume on Halloween.
Mal's over here busting out laughing too.
Hey.
Then how many kids you had?
3. Let me tell y'all this.
You said 2 a few minutes ago.
3.
No,
Let me tell y'all this. You better be sleeping before your mama gets home.
That's a joke. I thought you said you don't drink though.
I don't drink.
Yeah, you do. You're fly.
I ain't drink no beer. You better be sleeping before your mama.
Yeah, you drank like 6 while we were at the fair.
I drank 2.